Hello, friends! Welcome to Magic Stories. Today, we're setting off on a brand new adventure filled with amazing discoveries. Are you ready to meet a superhero from the animal kingdom? Penguins. Penguins are unique little birds. Unlike many other birds, they don't fly in the air. Their wings, which we call flippers, are perfect for moving through water. With their streamlined bodies and tightly packed feathers, penguins are made for swimming, not for flying. Their bodies are shaped like submarines. Penguin feathers aren't like those of other birds. They're extremely tight to create a barrier against freezing water and protect them from intense cold. Under these feathers, they have a layer of down and a thick layer of insulating fat that keeps them warm, even in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius. Have you ever noticed that penguins are black on their backs and white on their bellies? This special feature is called counter-shading camouflage. It's really useful. When a predator looks at them from above, their black back blends in with the dark water. And when seen from below, their white belly blends in with the light from the sky. This not only protects them from predators, but also helps them sneak up on their prey. We often think all penguins live in icy places, but did you know that they also inhabit more temperate areas? You can find penguins in Antarctica, of course, but also in South America, Australia, New Zealand, and even South Africa. In fact, there are 18 different penguin species. The largest are emperor penguins, which can reach up to 1.2 meters tall and weigh between 30 and 40 kilograms. The smallest are little blue penguins, measuring only 30 centimeters. Penguins spend almost 75% of their lives in the water. They swim so well that they're sometimes called living torpedoes. They mainly eat fish, krill, and squid. To catch their prey, they dive deep, sometimes as much as 500 meters for species like the emperor penguin, which can hold its breath for up to 20 minutes. This ability is due to a special adaptation in their blood. It contains a high amount of hemoglobin to store oxygen, allowing them to stay underwater longer. Penguins are survival experts in the cold. Their tightly packed feathers form a waterproof barrier that protects them from icy winds. To stay warm, they often gather in colonies and form heat circles. Penguins huddle together to keep warm, taking turns so each penguin has a chance to warm up in the center. In an emperor penguin colony, the temperature inside the circle can be up to 20 degrees higher than outside. When breeding season arrives, penguins show loyalty and teamwork. For emperor penguins, the female lays a single egg and gives it to the male. While she goes to the sea to find food, the male keeps the egg warm by holding it on his feet, covered by a skin pouch called a brood pouch. Males fast for about 2 months until the female returns with food. Once the chick hatches, both parents take turns feeding and protecting it. In some species, like the king penguin, the parents feed their chick by regurgitating partially digested food. Chicks stay with their parents for months until they're ready to dive into the water and find food on their own. Despite their incredible adaptations, penguins face dangers. Their predators include leopard seals and orcas. But one of their biggest challenges is climate change. Melting ice reduces their habitat and affects the abundance of their food. Temperature changes also affect krill populations, the main food source for many penguins. With less ice, there's less krill, and therefore less food for them. Additionally, some penguin species lose their habitat due to human activities like industrial fishing and pollution. Isn't it amazing to see all that penguins do to survive? They're brave, resilient birds, perfectly adapted to their environment. They play an important role in their ecosystem, and learning more about them reminds us of the importance of protecting our planet so these fascinating animals can continue to thrive. So, friends, what do you think about penguins? Did they surprise you? And what other animal would you like to discover next time? Let us know in the comments. See you soon for another scientific adventure. Well, friends, now you know everything about our superhero of the savannah. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to subscribe to Magic Stories to discover even more incredible animals. See you very soon, explorers!